Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your inventory control with Fishbowl step by step clearly. To upgrade your inventory control with Fishbowl, start by visiting the Fishbowl website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Explore the software's features to understand the tools available for inventory management. Download and install the Fishbowl software on your computer. Once installed, open the application and complete the initial setup. Connect Fishbowl to your existing accounting software for seamless data transfer. Set up your inventory by importing products from your previous system. Categorize your products to simplify organization and tracking. Define units of measurement for each product to ensure accurate inventory counts. Utilize the barcode scanning feature to streamline inventory intake and sales processes. Set up reorder points for items to automatically trigger alerts when stock levels run low. Create inventory reports to monitor stock levels, sales trends, and other key metrics. Train your staff on how to effectively use Fishbowl for inventory management. Regularly back up your data to prevent loss and ensure operational continuity. Review and adjust your inventory control processes periodically to maximize efficiency. Utilize Fishbowl's integration options to connect with other platforms as your business grows. Monitor performance metrics to continuously improve your inventory management strategy. By following these steps, you can enhance your inventory control system with Fishbowl effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.